guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about Fibonacci series. So what is Fibonacci series? A series of the numbers in which each number is a sum of two preceding numbers is called as the Fibonacci series. So I have written here the Fibonacci series like 0, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8, 13, 21 and 34. So any of the number if we consider it is the sum of the two preceding numbers. This is how we can calculate the Fibonacci series. So let's understand much more deeper here. Okay, so here I have created a Fibonacci series up to the 34 and I have written a table in which you can see the index and its Fibonacci value. So index is nothing but the term. We can use the term as a word here. So rule is actually x of n is equal to x of n minus 1 plus x of n minus 2. So let's consider an example here. X of 8 is equal to x of 8 minus 1 is equal to x of 8 minus 2. So this is how we can write out x of 8. So what is x of 8 minus 1? It is equal to x of 7 plus x of 6. And the value of these two numbers is equal to 13 plus 8, and then the value end of the result is 21. So this is how we can calculate any of the Fibonacci value. But before that, calculating of any of the term, you need before two values actually. So let's calculate the Fibonacci series up to the n terms. Before going back to the coding, we will understand the implementation logic here. So here I have written n terms is equal to n Fibonacci values. So if you consider a 5 terms, then 5 Fibonacci values. So first of all, we have to check a condition here, like if user enters a number where the value is less than 0 or 0, then in that case we will be going to show the user the number should be a positive integer. After that, we will be checking the if user enters the only one value, like only one as an input, then in that case we will be returning a 0. Okay, and if user enters other than values like from 2 to any of the number, then we are going to calculate the Fibonacci values up to that number and we are going to print that. So let's do it in the Python. So here you can see that I have created a main.py file. So in this we are going to write a logic. So I am taking the user input and is equal to integer of input of, please enter how many terms. So this is how we have taken the user input here. And after that I'm going to write two variables here, like n1 is equal to, then n1 comma n2 is equal to 0 and 1. So this is how we can give the multiple declaration of the variable in a Python. After that, like I'm going to write a first condition. If n is less than or equal to 0, then we are going to just say like a print, please enter the positive integer. So this is how we are going to handle the less than 0 input. So another condition else if n is equal to 1. So in that case we are going to just print the 0 value. So here I am going to print like the Fibonacci series of terms. Okay, so Fibonacci series of n terms. So we are going to print just first value. So here print of n1. So I'm going to just print of n1. So after that we can write a logic to calculate another input if user enters the greater than 1. So here I am writing a logic like else for then for I in a range of 1 to 1 to n plus 1 actually. So it will go and calculate from 1 to n terms. So here, first of all, we have to print 0. So that's why I am going to print n1 here. So every time we have to calculate another n1 and we have to print it. So this is how. Then n term is equal to, what will be the answer? n1 plus n2, because of the previous two values. And then we are going to swap it here. So n1 is equal to n2. I will be there, yeah, n2. Then n2 is equal to, what will be here, like nth. And then we are going to calculate it is in a recursive way. So here you can see that this is the logic to implement a Fibonacci series. So let's run this program. We can check it like how we can do well. Let's run this program. Yeah. So please enter the how many numbers. So I have written 2. So it is giving me 0 and 1. Okay. Then let's run it again, and then 8. So here you can see that all the 8 terms has been printed on the console. So this is how it has calculated all the 8 terms, and we can do the much better way the logic here. I have written it for the beginners here. So in the advanced we can go for the advanced logic in of the Fibonacci series. So I will be creating another video for the advanced to how to calculate the Fibonacci in a better way. So this is how we can calculate the Fibonacci series in a Python. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.